In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix MetaTrader 5 no connection problem. So basically what I did is that I firstly closed the MetaTrader 5 app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now in your settings app, then what you're going to do in here is to just scroll down and then you're going to click on general right here, as you can see. So now in general, just scroll down in here again and click on storage right here, and you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So now what I did on this page is that I just swiped up like this and then clicked on search right here. Then you're going to search for MetaTrader 5 here and click on the app. Now click on offload app and once again click on offload app here down below. Then you're going to click on reinstall app, as you can see. And now just simply wait for the MetaTrader 5 app to completely update to its latest version. What you can also do, by the way, is to swipe like this on your phone, then quickly enable airplane mode and then quickly disable it afterwards. Because what will happen is that you will re-establish the connection if you were connected to Wi-Fi before or mobile data. It doesn't matter, you will re-establish connection and it might give you a little bit better signal in the start, just so you know. So you can try once again and hopefully now this is going to fix it for you as well.